Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. If you want a hairstyle that looks beautiful but is also easy to manage, then this video is perfect for you. As we grow older, our hair may become thinner, dry or lose volume. That's completely normal. So it's better to choose a haircut that saves time and still makes you look stylish and confident. Looks at some simple and low maintenance haircut ideas. First is the short bob haircut. This style is very popular and easy to handle. It is short, neat and frames your face nicely. You don't need to spend much time styling it. Just wash, dry and you are ready. It also looks great with natural grey hair. Next we have the pixie cut. This is one of the easiest haircuts to maintain. It is easy to short, so it dries quickly and needs very little care. If you add a few layers, can give your hair more volume. This is a great choice if your hair is getting thin. Another good option is the layered shoulder length haircut. If you don't want very short hair, this style is perfect. The layers make your hair look fuller and more lively. You can leave it open, tied back or style it in different ways without much effort. Now let's talk about soft shag haircut. This haircut has layers and a slightly messy look. The best part is it does not need perfect styling every day. Even if your hair looks a little natural and loose, it still looks stylish. The blunt cut is also a simple and modern option. It has straight, even ends and gives a clean look. This style is easy to maintain and does not require a lot of time or products. If you have curly or wavy hair, go for a natural textured haircut. This means you keep your natural curls or waves. With the right cut, your hair will fall nicely on its own. You just need a little product to keep it fresh. Let's also talk about bangs. Soft side bangs are easy to manage and can make your face look younger. They add a nice touch without needing too much styling. Here are some easy tips to keep your hair low maintenance. Choose a style that suits your natural hair. Avoid using heat loosed every day. Trim your hair regularly. Use simple and gentle hair products. Remember, the best hairstyle is one that makes you feel comfortable and happy. You don't need to spend hours on your hair to look good. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.